You searched how to buy shares of Knife River Corp, a U.S. aggregates and construction materials company. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker KNF, and this video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro here as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KNF to locate the listing. Make sure you select the Knife River Corp share and not a similarly named instrument. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for recent trading. Confirm the company details match Knife River Corp before proceeding. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order executes, your position will appear in the portfolio view. The eToro link is in the description if you want to follow this process yourself.